Alright everyone, welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm admin 1 of NEFX. We're still on Suicide Map Pack 2 by Butch Massoni. We're on the final level of this particular pack called Narrow. Let's see how it goes. Okay, yes, I do remember this one. Got a nice little valley there. Oops. You'll notice I made some modifications to make bot maps a bit more equitable, especially for these maps basically that aren't what we might call clique maps. There we go. Now I'm getting a good swing of things. What's down here? It's just a slow elevator. Relatively slow. Where the hell did that come from? I guess there's one direction I didn't look in. And already the ball was really flooding with the rockets. Really dodged that rocket. Seems like a common winning strategy here is just to kind of rush out into the main hallway, fire a shot, and then go back into this side path. But that doesn't account for the spawn points there either. I guess one, we need to really identify the spawn points and just keep track of those, because certainly in bot match, there's not much else of a way to kind of stay up above water score-wise. How did that work? Just one step forward, 2 steps back, the whole match. Well, anyway, that's a good showcase of it. So that's it for tonight. We'll see about getting more into the swing of things as far as keeping up more of these regular Marathon Arena Adventures videos. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. I'll see you next time. Bye.